Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We are getting some sunshine out here today, and we are here at Bish's RV. My name is Ashley. I am on the sales team here, and I specialize in our motorhomes. We sell everything from pop-up tent trailers to Class A diesel pushers here. So today we have a 2023 Newmar Ventana, brand new. This is the 3709 floor plan, one of my personal favorites. It's going to come in at about 37 feet 10 inches. So certainly not approaching that 40 feet. So if you are going to places and 40 feet is too long, you can still get in with this one. We tend to order ours with a lot of options here. Newmar has more options than any other brand, and we like to take advantage of that for you and make sure that what we have is truly unique. You can see here some of the options we did are these slide out trays underneath, and Newmar actually sends you with some extra floor tiles just in case something were to happen. That's also where you can empty out your central vac that's built in. And up here is going to be your outside TV. So when combined with the bedroom and living room TV, you've got 3 TVs total on this one. We've also had it optioned with power plug-ins here, so you can put maybe a freezer like some people do, or anything else that would require power. So I'm going to go ahead and take us inside here. You'll notice that right here above the 3709 designation, this will allow you to lock and unlock the door without keys. Also have a nice little doorbell there. Just the little things, right? So this one, we have our new toffee glazed cabinetry. This is all made in-house at Newmar. They have Amish and Mennonite workforce. They're also the most experienced workforce in the RV industry. So you have great quality here. We also are going to have your fireplace. And in the kitchen, they're doing an induction cooktop, 2 burner, and you can actually lift this out if you make a mess, or you can also take it outside somewhere else and plug it in and cook on it wherever you'd like. So it's a really nice dual use purpose. This year too, brand new on the Whirlpool microwave oven and convection oven, it is also an air fryer and a grill. So they're giving you way more options to cook when you're on the go, or if you're living or part-timing in it. Of course, we still have our beautiful stainless steel sinks, dual sinks here, great hardware. All of the drawers also throughout this are going to be soft close, so no slamming when someone else is trying to sleep. Now this one was optioned with both the theater seats, power theater seats, as well as this is what they call the Euro booth dinette. You'll notice you can maybe fit 2 small kids there or 1 large adult. I kind of call it a seating and a half sometimes. This table will extend out, and there's 2 additional folding chairs that will match that are stowed under the bed currently. So you can still comfortably see 4 people here. The only potential downside to this one is there's no second bed. So if you want friends to visit but not stay, this one's perfect. Speaking of visiting, so this is a bath and a half model. This is also great when you're on the road or the slides are closed. Really easy access. You can get to this at any point in time. Even give you some storage in there. And you'll notice this door is kind of unique as well. This is a good kind of hybrid door to where if you wanted, you could hang a towel or something on it, which you can't do with a pocket door, but it's not going to slide out so far like a normal door, so you're not going to hit your refrigerator. I see a lot of used models with dings in the refrigerator door from doors like that. So love that. Of course, this is a nice full-size 19.7 cubic foot residential refrigerator, so no running off of propane here, which is actually the case for this entire coach. So not standard on the Ventana, but optional is an all-electric model. So this one has no propane at all. And back here in the bedroom, you see this is a full-size residential king bed. So if you wanted a different mattress, like I'm picky about my mattresses, you can put whatever one you want there and it will fit. It also will not fold when the slides come in. And this is a 3-slide model, so both slides are out right now, which gives you plenty of standing space here, plenty of wardrobe space, drawer space, And they have also increased the size of the bedroom TV because they know how much everybody loves watching TV now, especially if you're in this a lot. So back here in the bathroom, neat little features here. This is behind the toilet, the emergency escape door. Newmar pioneered this, and most of their models have this either standard or as an option now. It's always behind a toilet, so you're not wasting any space. And I've actually had couples where, because this is so easy to open up and there's a little ladder that drops down, when they're loading up the rig or unloading it to get home, I had one wife say that she would hand her clothes up to her husband to put in the closet. And other items instead of going all the way around to the front door. So multi-uses for that. This one here also, like I mentioned, is optioned with the washer and dryer. You can tell because that's always put where you have the vents here for proper airflow. And of course, your shower. So this is something that if you like this shower, this is the last year of it in 2023. Course, at this length, sometimes you can be a little bit limited on what you can do in the bathroom layout. And oh, the toilet's talking to us. So this is actually perfect because this one has a sensor, a motion sensor. And you can see it wasn't that loud either. Love that. But as we're looking down here, on the flooring here, this is your access panel for the engine, since this is rear engine, of course. And this is the 360 horsepower Cummins engine. You have plenty of torque on this, plenty of towing. You can tow up to 10,000 pounds. So if you have a larger SUV, you won't have any problems towing this one. So as we look down here, you can see on the floor, this is an access panel that will give, hopefully not you, maybe a technician, access to the engine if you need to do any maintenance or repairs. This is something that is mandated by law. And as you can see here, where the shower goes, it can't go over that panel. So that's why sometimes you see things in the rear of the coach that don't seem to make sense at first glance. So that explained a lot to me the first time I heard it. So that's a nice little tidbit I like to pass along. You can also see as we come back up here how wide of an opening this is because of this full wall slide right here, and how flush and flat the floor is. So the nice thing is, if you love everything about this coach, but you might have grandkids or family, cousin, sister visit, and you need another bed, you can very easily pull out these theater seats and put in hide a bed of some kind and be able to sleep other people. This is fully furnished, finished back there, just like in a house, really easy to change out. So I hope you liked this kind of quick overview of this 2023 Newmar Ventana 3709, one of my favorite floor plans. I've stayed in one before and it was phenomenal. You guys may have seen that. That was when I was actually at Pacific Shores up in Newport on the coast of Oregon, and actually it's similar colors to this one, so I kind of feel right at home. I appreciate you watching. Again, my name is Ashley. I'm in sales here at Bish's RV in Oregon, and I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about this or any of our other models that we have out here, you can call or text me directly on my cell at 541-337-2387. Thank you and have a wonderful day.